Alright, welcome back to Mustangs by Matt. In today's episode, we're going to be installing this coolant overflow cover from California Pony Cars. Got it from Summit Racing. It was about $84. It's quick, maybe 10-minute install if you don't know what you're doing, and I didn't know what I was doing. So sit back, enjoy, and here we go. Take it away, Matt. Thanks for coming over.
Yeah, man. Thanks for having me over. It's always fun to work on a car.
That's not
Especially,
yours?
No, it's not that. Not just that. You know, I was saying earlier, I said, I don't mind turning wrenches. I really don't. I said, but it's a lot more fun doing performance and fun parts than it is actually fixing something that's broken.
It's broken, yeah.
Yeah. We're a twist. Break that seal.
Yeah, I'm trying to. There we go.
There it is. That should pop right on off. They make an aluminum one for my car, and it looks fantastic.
But
it's $300 for an aluminum tank to sit there. I'm like, I don't.
Pretty.
Yeah, I don't need one that bad.
They make an aluminum one for this one. Actually, they make several for this because you know it's a Mustang.
Yeah. You know, the rarity is that somebody goes, "Hey man, pop your hood. Let me look real quick." It's few and far between. You gotta take that back hose off there too, don't you?
No, it slides off.
Okay.
At least I hope. That's the theory, is that it's supposed to do that.
Without cutting the hose.
Without cutting the hose.
You gonna take a swing at that?
Well, I think I have to take that off too.
I think it would definitely make life easier if you did.
Yeah. How many? So just so for those keeping count at home, this is the third time. I will have taken these bolts off 3 times when we're finished here. Ah.
Yeah, you give me that.
Yeah, thanks. Oh no, it's coolant. Coolant's not gonna strip your paint. That's brake fluid.
Yeah, it's not corrosive.
Okay. So hopefully this should be.
There's a vent on the bottom.
Okay.
Or, I'm sorry, there's a feed line on the bottom. It's a vent that's on the top.
I know what you meant. Hopefully,
People of the internet.
they will correct you.
Yo, I'm gonna make a YouTube account as soon as I get home, so I can answer. I'm gonna go and prepare.
Yeah.
Who's the jackass you have with you? There we go.
Doesn't that look better?
Much cleaner look. Now, reinstalling the bolts for the 4th time.
Third, sir, or I don't know. Shut up. All right. Wait. Was this over or under?
Yeah, it was under.
Under? So it goes this way?
I think it was under. I'm gonna say it's under. Yeah, that definitely looks cleaner. So I'm gonna say under. Yeah, that looks right. I'm sure there's going to be some guy that complains that we didn't use the Ford hose clamp removal pliers.
Yeah. Well, I would have used the Ford hose clamp removal pliers, except Ford wants $17 million to rent that for an hour, so.
Again, no hate for the fine people of Detroit, but
No, 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 no.
Was that
The
before?
actual people who built the car. We love you.
Yeah. Big fans.
Big fans. However, your bosses. We also love you.
Screw those bastards at GM though.
Oh, yeah,
You,
fuck those.
you still owe us money.
Yeah. All right. How many people did the Chevy Cruze kill?
A lot.
With that faulty ignition system that GM was like, no, there's nothing wrong with it. And then they quietly changed it without telling anyone.
Is that all the way backwards? They go all the way up.
That's as far up.
No,
I mean,
okay,
I mean,
it's on, yeah.
The thing is right here.
Okay, yeah, it's here. Okay, yeah.
It's like,
Okay, good. I was making sure that I thought that may have a seat,
no.
but yeah, you're good.
Just gonna wipe the coolant off because true car guy cares that the inside of his engine bay isn't as clean as it possibly could be. I need to wash this. I don't know what this is.
So mine needs a good detail up underneath it. But hey, go open my doors right now. Them door jams are clean.
All right. So. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I've got another one coming soon where I'm going to be installing the brake fluid cover, also made by CPC. So look forward to that. But in the meantime, drive safe, have fun, and God bless America.